go from this to this. All right, YouTube, back once again, and this is going to be a little quick video on just a quick simple mod for the Genesis. What we have here is a door strike plate cover, and it comes from the KDM warehouse out of I think Venice, Florida, or something like that. And it's $24 around there for a set of 4. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I bought these online and got them, and it just looks looks a little better. Well, actually, it looks a lot better than what the car comes with. Mine comes with just plain black plastic covers, but some cars just come with the metal plate and not even a cover at all. So what comes in the packaging is 4 of these in bubble wrap, and then they give you some 3M tape, double-sided tape. And with the tape, what you do is you put one strip here, one strip here, warm it up with either a blow dryer or a heat gun, not a lot of time, just so the tape gets tacky. And then basically you go out to the car, you take off the plastic cover, and then you set this one in and put pressure for a couple minutes, and that's it. So let's go out to the car and let me show you exactly how it's done. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and clean the black of the plate with some rubbing alcohol. That way you have good adhesion with the tape. Get your 2 pieces of 3M tape, stick it on the back side. Don't think it really matters how the tape goes as long as it's adhered to the back. Make sure it's on there nice. Now probably the hardest part of this is pulling this little red piece off. That was pretty simple, but sometimes if you don't have nails or something, they're a pain. Okay, so now that's done. You're gonna get either your heat gun, put on the low setting, or your blow dryer, and just give it a little heat. Not even a minute. So it's nice and sticky. Gets a little hot, so be careful. Let's go out to the car. So on your car, you're either gonna have this black little cover, or it's just gonna be the metal plate. So what you do is you take this off. You're gonna wipe this with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, so you get a good stick. You're gonna take your plate and you're gonna slide it over the plate and line it up and apply pressure. And just hold it there for about 15-20 seconds until you feel comfortable that it's sticking. All right. And there it is. That's the finished product. What it actually says on the plate is Genesis, the dynamic luxury. And that writing is way too small for me to see without my glasses, but probably says something nice. So there it is. Let's give it a test just to make sure it closes properly. All right. So there it is. It's nice and stuck on. I'd advise you to keep the original black covers if you do have them, just in case this breaks or you get tired of them and you just want to put the black plastic covers back on. So once again, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.